Okay, folks, so you know what it is? That's right. It's another Black Bandit video. This video, it's going to be basically, well, it is on the intake system. This, sorry, my cable, my battery's a little bit dead, so I have to keep the phone plugged in. But anyway, my intake, as you can see, it's extremely long. It doesn't even make sense that some people would think, right? But with an intake this long, it allows the fuel to atomize from the carburetor, right? So if it's atomizing, I'm not getting a lot of dense fuel entering into the motor. I'm getting more of a vapor going through the intake, which allows for much better combustion. Now, I have done a couple tests with the velocity stack and just the filter. And I can definitely say that when I add the velocity stack, the RPM range gets up into even a higher RPM range and the tone of the motor changes. I can get another 2000 RPM, somewhere in that range. And I'm not sure because it's hard to tell when you're doing 60 mile an hour and the engine just still wants to pull harder, right? So I got to focus on what's going on ahead, considering I'm only running mountain bike tires, so there's a whole lot of stuff going on. But this bike is an absolute rocket. So what I was trying to do here was basically figure out how I could get this velocity stack attached to my barrel. I got a slide barrel, right? So a lot of guys use the like the chopper style. This is a barrel slide, and there's nowhere for me to attach this velocity stack. So I thought about something. I measured the diameter of this across. It's 44 millimeter. This is a 2606 Mikuni. Real Mikuni, I always state that, not a knockoff. That's 44 millimeters, this diameter right here. So I need an inside diameter pipe that will fit here. And this velocity stack is 44 millimeters, so it's perfect. Oh, look at that, some sweat. It's pretty hot here. So basically what I've done, I want that effect. You see? So now I got the velocity stack hooked right onto the carburetor. That's the effect that I want, basically. And it works better outside of just using the basic filter. This works well, but I just can't get the upper. There's a higher RPM range above 11,000 RPM. This, I can get 14. I can probably get 14,000, and I will know once I get it all together. But I can guarantee you this thing can pull 14,000, and that's with an unbalanced crank. This stock crank. This was a triple 40 when I bought it, and everything in the bottom end is stock except for the piston, which came with the kit with this cylinder. So my thing is right now is I bought a piece of hose and I cut it in half, basically the length of here, which was, it worked out to 3 centimeters. So I cut this 3 centimeters. And the idea is now, just so you guys can see what's going on here, as I put this in here nice and flush, which I will clamp. See? So now I got that in there nice and flush. And then I attach it onto the carburetor like that. You see? So basically now, I'm not going to have any vacuum leak. Once I tighten that up, I'm going to also get my filter's on the way, actually. Now with this total, so the 44 millimeter plus the thickness of this,